Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Quant Mutual Tax service. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in quantmutual.com and press enter. This will take you into the official Quant Mutual website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on Transaction and Service Portal at the top right corner and then click on Click Here to transact. Now click on Ready to Transact and you will now be able to see the login portal. If you don't already have an account, you can click on the Register button or the Open Can button. And in order to log in, just click on the Login button underneath. You will now be allowed to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your username within the username box and underneath in the password section, type in the account password that you have set up. Finally, click on the Submit button and now you will be able to log in to your Quant Mutual Tax account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can always click on Forgot or Fetch Password option in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Quant Mutual Tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.